welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with a new video, and today we will be packing my travel makeup bag. By the time you see this video, I will be on a little 3-day getaway. But before we get started, I would like to mention today's sponsor. Today's video is sponsored by Captivating Your Beauty. I have a dedicated video trying out some of their products, so definitely check that out. I will have it linked below. And also, before we get started, if it is your first time watching, please hit the subscribe button. And if you are a returning subscriber, don't forget to hit the like button. I'm not using my typical makeup bag. This one is designed for travel. I haven't used this in a while, but this is the bag that I'm taking, and I got this off of Amazon, and I will have it linked below if it's still available. Of course, I'm going to start with primers, and I pretty much am taking things that I know for a fact work. I'm not taking any new products I tried out or any new products that I'm kind of iffy about. I'm just taking my tried and true products with me, and I'm not even taking a lot. The first primer I will be taking is the YSL Instant Matte Primer. Y'all know this is one of my favorite primers, so of course I'm taking it. I don't have much left in it, so I am going to take this travel size Smashbox photo finish mattifying primer. So these are the only two primers that I will be taking. And for foundation, I decided just to take 3, and I kind of feel like maybe 3 is too much, but these are the 3 that I will be taking. If anything changes, I might just only take 2, I don't know. But I will be taking the Marc Jacobs Extra Shot concealer slash foundation. And the reason why I'm taking this is because this is a really good matte foundation that holds up in the heat, and where I'm going is going to be pretty warm. So I want a really good matte foundation. I don't have to worry about constantly blotting or looking at my face. So I'm taking this. And I'm also taking the Tom Ford Traceless foundation stick. This is not matte, this is more of a natural finish, and you can kind of build this up or shear it down. So I'm going to take this for just in case if I have a day where I don't really want to put a lot of foundation on, but I could use this and shear it down, or I could just use this to pretty much like spot conceal or cover a few blemishes on my face. So I'm taking this. I really like this foundation stick. And I'm also taking Natasha Denona Transformatte Pore Vanishing Matte Foundation. This is another matte foundation that is very, very matte, but it's not drying. If you have oily skin, I don't know why you don't have this yet. And it has been on Sephora's website on sale for like $20 at least for a good 8 or 9 months now. So this is definitely worth picking up, and it's one of those matte foundations that still looks like skin, because I do feel like this Marc Jacobs foundation, if you put a lot of it on, it can kind of look a little masky or just look like you have a lot of foundation on. This really doesn't look like that. So, and it also has a pump. Actually, I need to clean this. Let me do that right now. And if you're wondering, I have the shade 90 Neutral Dark. If you know me, you already know what I'm taking. I'm taking the Givenchy Teint Couture Everywhere Concealer, and I'm also taking the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk. These are my holy grail concealers. These are definitely top 2, so they're going, of course. Powders, I'm only taking 1 loose powder, and I'm taking the Givenchy Prisme Libre powder, and I have the shade 5. So I'm taking this with blurring. It's color correcting. It does a whole lot of different things. And I always take this one along with me whenever I travel. And also I will be taking this Smashbox, my favorites. This is very similar to the Makeup Forever matte powder. This is a really good one. I got this from the CCO store. I love it. Like, this is just everything to me. And I'm also just taking 1 bronzer. This is the Dior Forever bronzer. I believe that's the name of it. In the shade 8. This is one of my favorite bronzers. And I'm also taking this Dior Backstage Glow Face Palette. I'm taking that with me. I decided just to take 2. I will be taking the Armani cream blush. This is what that looks like. Love it. Perfect for deep and dark skin tones. and it's cream. And I also will be taking my Captivating Beauty blush. This is a nice plum shade, perfect. I will also be taking this for my brows. This is the Dior Pump and Brow Gel. Love it. Use this pretty much every day. Blush I'm going to take this Chanel. This is a cream blush stick. This is what that looks like. So I'm taking that with me. For lips, for right now, I will be taking the Ulta Beauty. This is the Juice Infused Lip Oil. Definitely taking this, and this is actually not even open, but I'm taking this with me. And I will be taking my Buxom Power Lip Liner, and this is in the shade Creamy Chocolate. I use this pretty much almost every day. This is what that looks like swatched on my hand. And it also has a brush at the other end of it. Hopefully you guys can see the brush. And I'm also taking a lip liner from Captivating Beauty. This is in the shade Poppy. This is a nice bright orange kind of red color. Taking a Gucci matte lipstick, and this is in the shade Queen Christina. Let's do a quick swatch of it. This is what that looks like. This looks really pretty with a brown lip liner. I don't really use this much, so decided to take it. That is everything that is in my travel makeup bag. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all later. Bye.